Hi, I'm Alexa Bigwar, founder and CEO of Write Publish Sell and host of the Women in Publishing Summit. I want to take a moment today to answer some questions that we've been getting about affiliate marketing. So here's the deal. When we're writing our books, when we're publishing books, sometimes it can be a year or years from the time that we start working on our project until we actually start seeing revenue from the sales of those books. So if you're working on your book now and you're spending money on editing and on cover design and all of those kinds of things, you might be thinking to yourself, oh my goodness, what am I going to do to pay for this? How am I going to bring in money now when I know that I'm not going to be receiving any royalties until 90 days or longer after the book actually launches? So affiliate marketing is a really cool and often very profitable way for you to bring in some extra money while you're waiting for those book sales to come in or to supplement the money that you're earning as an author. There's lots of ways to make money as an author as side jobs. You can take on copywriting jobs for writing blog content or other content for other people. You can sell other products that go along with your books. You can do coaching programs. You can do all kinds of fun things. But affiliate marketing is really cool because it's very little work on your end to actually earn some money simply by sharing what other people are selling. So as an affiliate, it means that someone else has a product or a service or a book, and you are able to get a special link. You've signed up for an account with them so that when you share this special link, it attaches to you. And if someone buys something through that link, you get a little bit of a kickback. So you're probably really familiar if you've been writing books or been around for a while, or maybe just noticed this and maybe didn't know what it means. But when you see people promoting things and you see them put affiliate link in parentheses, or this is an Amazon affiliate link or something like that, that specifically means that when you buy something through that link as a buyer, nothing on your end changes. The price is the same, the delivery is the same, everything is the same. But as a seller, when you are putting that link out and someone purchases it through, depending on what your agreement is, you will get either a percentage of the sales or a flat rate back. So how do authors use this? Well, there's a couple of ways that you can do it. You can set up affiliate links with your book. For example, if it's already live on KDP, you can set up an affiliate account through Amazon and you can share this link. I would encourage you to make sure that you look at the terms of service because there are some very specific rules around how and where you can share the link. For example, you cannot share it in emails. That's just one of their rules. So you want to make sure that you understand where you can share it. Or you can partner with other companies that are selling things that would be complementary to your business, to your author world. So there's a lot of different ways to think about this. And you want to find products and services or books or programs that your audience is actually going to enjoy. So what do I mean by that? Okay, so let's start with the nonfiction authors because that's a little bit easier, and then I'll give some fiction examples. So with nonfiction, maybe you're writing in the health and coaching area. So maybe you have written a book on keto lifestyle, and you know someone who has a coaching program for people trying to learn how to live the keto lifestyle. So you might reach out to them and see if they have an affiliate program where when you share their link, if someone signs up, you get a little bit back from that. Why is this beneficial to both parties? Well, you have an audience that you're growing that's interested in things about keto, and this person is actually coaching people through the program. You're not offering a coaching program, they are. So it's a win-win for both people because you're giving something to your audience that's of incredible value to them, and you're also helping out this other person. So you might earn a little bit back when someone purchases that program through them. Maybe you're a yoga instructor and you decide to share affiliate links for yoga products on Amazon, maybe yoga mats, water bottles, the blocks that you use, all the things. You can set up blog posts, you can send out emails, you can say, you're on my email list because you love yoga stuff, you're reading my blog posts about yoga. Well, here's some products that might help you do your yoga better. Make sure you disclose that it's an affiliate link and you share that information. And when someone purchases, you get a little bit back from that. For fiction authors, you might consider sharing the links of books from Amazon to other fiction authors. You might see if they have programs that are related to whatever you're talking about. I don't know what kind of programs could go with it, but let's get crazy here and say maybe you write vampire books and somebody has like a subscription box for how to have fun dates like a vampire would, I don't know, something like this. Or maybe they've got this line of candles or date night things that are super, in line with that genre. Use your imagination here, but anything that you think, okay, my audience loves to read vampire books. Maybe I use the affiliate link for all of the Twilight books on Amazon and send those out to people and say, hey, you like vampire books, you would love this series. Maybe you review books, and obviously you're not doing this through email because you've been told not to. So you send it out on social media or write a blog post or other things where you can use that link. But you get the gist. You find things that and this is why knowing your audience and what they will enjoy is so important. As authors and as writers in our community and as publishers and as editors and book coaches and all of those things, graphic designers doing book cover designs, if you have an audience of authors, there's all kinds of tools that you can build affiliate programs around. So you can reach out almost every major company out there. If you think of Publisher Rocket, if you think of all kinds of tools that are out there for authors, both training programs, actual tools and resources that you use, many of them offer an affiliate program. So you can sign up to be an affiliate. And when you're talking to your author friends, when you're talking to people who would be interested in learning more about keywords and categories, you can share your affiliate link to the relevant services, all of those types of things. So what it allows you to do is it allows you to provide valuable content to your audience, because you're saying, I know you're interested in this type of thing. Let me tell you about this program, this tool, this service. And oh, by the way, here's a link where you can go get this product. You can sign up for this program. You can buy the thing, whatever it is, and you make some money back. For all authors, did you know that bookshop.org, which if you're not using it as an author, you should, because bookshop.org is a nonprofit that supports bookstores. So when people buy books through that, a percentage goes back to keeping bookstores in business, but you can also sign up for an affiliate link through them. So now when you're sharing your book or anyone else's books and you don't want to send them to Amazon, you can send them to Bookshop and still get affiliate commissions off of that. With us, with the Women in Publishing Summit and with Write, Publish, Sell, we have our conference every year. We have other programs that we launch, and we offer affiliate relationships for that as well. So right now, as I'm recording this in 2023, early 2023, we're getting ready for the 2023 conference. If you're watching this later, we may be getting ready for a different year, but we will hopefully still be offering the same program, where if you reach out to us, we're happy to talk to you about becoming an affiliate for our program. In fact, you can go to womeninpublishingsummit.com/affiliates right now and sign up to be an affiliate for the Women in Publishing Summit. And when you share this with your friends who are authors or editors or book coaches or marketers or publishers or any of those people in that sphere, you can get a nice little cash bonus back every time someone buys through your link. Now, the key thing always is to remember who it is you're sharing with, and to make sure that you're signing up for programs, tools, products, services that actually align with your audience. For example, I have an audience of writers, so I'm going to be looking for tools and affiliate relationships that go really well in alignment with that. I'm looking for coaching programs for, I participate in the Write, Publish, Profit stack by InfoStack each year, which has tons of resources for authors, and we share that out. It would not benefit me to be an affiliate for someone who sells face cream, for example. While I may have a lot of women in my audience, I don't know for sure that they're looking for face cream, and face cream is an individual thing. So it would not be a good use of my time to sign up for affiliate things for face creams or weight loss programs or anything else targeted to women that does not directly align with my goal and my audience. But anything that has to do with books, writing books, publishing books, marketing books, all of those things, those make a lot of sense for me to share with my audience. And when someone purchases through those affiliate links, I make a little extra money. So going all the way back to where we started this conversation, if you're looking for other ways to help you add some additional revenue to your bottom line as a writer, as you're getting out there before your book is published, or maybe book sales aren't going as well as you'd like them to, or maybe you'd like to participate in a pretty expensive marketing endeavor and you're trying to figure out how to bring in the cash to pay for that, I really encourage you to check out affiliate relationships and affiliate partnerships with companies out there that are offering it. There's nothing dirty, there's nothing smarmy, there's nothing gross about it. Again, nothing happens on the back end for the customer that makes it any different. There's no price changes. There's Nothing is different for the buyer. It's just that when you are participating as this, you're sharing something with your audience, so it gets it in front of people that the company, the owner of the product, doesn't already know. If you share about the Women in Publishing Summit to your friends and your connections that I don't know, you're directly benefiting me by bringing me new people. So I'm going to say thank you by giving you some money back for doing that. So again, if you're interested in exploring more about affiliate relationships with the Women in Publishing Summit, head over to womeninpublishingsummit.com/affiliates. We'd love to have you in our community. We'd love to have you help us support this wonderful event. If you haven't gotten a ticket yet, I'd encourage you to do that as well. It's just a great space, a very encouraging and uplifting space filled with a ton of opportunities to connect, learn, and grow together as we navigate this journey of publishing as different participants, whether you're an author, editor, book coach, publisher, book marketer, all of those types of things. We've got space for you. So I hope that answers your question on affiliate marketing, what it is, how you use it, how you can bring in some extra money. And the great thing is, if you have the right audience for whatever it is that you're promoting, there's a really good chance that you'll be able to, as your audience grows, continue to make and bring in more revenue just from sharing other people's books, programs, conferences, tools, anything that they are offering for you to get a little bit back when you share about their product. So have a great day.